Hello, my name is Madly and welcome to video tutorial for Battle-like script. In this video I'm going to show you how to use this preset. Now if you can see inside the zip file, now we have three folders. Now we have tutorial, gallery, effects that are already saved. We have 12 preset, right? And also we have FFX folder and After Effects version. This one for the FFX, you just copy this folder and paste it into your After Effects installation folder under the preset over here, and just paste it here, right? And inside we have the default FFX, and also we have 12 preset. Okay, let's jump into the After Effects, and you can see here we have the Battle-like script FFX installed, and just drag to. Alright, so let's take a look at the setting, and now we have the animate point. This is where your light source, you can see the location, and also we have the direction of the the light, and we have the light width and light intensity. This is where you can change the width of the light and the intensity to make it more brightness, like so. And you can change the light. Let's say I just want to use the purple, like so. And we have edge intensity and thickness. As you can see here, we have light over here on the edge. Get a bit thickness. As you can see here, we affect the edge of the image. And take a look at the shape setting. Now you can preview it. Like now, you can preview the setting, and you can turn off the preview. And you can change the shape into few shape that we have over here, like a triangle. If you change the triangle or sawtooth, nothing happen until you change the width, height with width. For example, now we have this one, and also we have like this one. Change it a little bit. We have the triangle and also the circle if you want, right? And let's change to triangle. And now you can add the placement, make it a little bit distort into the light, and also you can turn off this preview. And also you can change the glass softness. You can see here we have glass. You can change the image and also make it a height. The glass will look a bit high, and you can change the displacement of the light. If you make it more softness, it gives you more a little bit glossy look. And take a look under the render mode. As a default, we use add. It will blend the color of the light and your logo, right? And if you want the color only, just use stencil. It will reveal all this light only as a reflection. Alright, and if you want to have a cutout or cutout add, it will reveal the image. Only, and cutout add, it will put ads on the image, like so. And under the white, you can have a transition on your logo. You can see here we have the light and also the logo, and you can change the width, the white feather, to make it a little bit smooth. And also you can make it expansion for the sweep, like so. Just make it a little bit offset here. It will reveal the light a little bit earlier. This one is a layer expansion. Alright, so let's animate it. Just put it over here, make it this starting from here, and just keyframe the animate point, and also just create another keyframe and start it over here. Let's take a preview. Now we have the revealing image and also the light. Alright, and let's take a look at the light number 2. This one, if you want to have a second light, just put some color, maybe this color, and also we need to increase the intensity. You can see we have another light source that affecting our logo, and also you can change the direction. So alright, now we have the second source of the lighting, the cyan, and also we have the purple. I think that's it. If you want to add a glow, now the glow affecting all these your image and also the light sweep. To put the glow, you just drag this glow below under this dash. Now the glow will affecting only the light sweep. As you can see here, I have make it a little bit glowing, a little bit intensity. As you can see, this layer will not affecting the glow. So let me preview it. As you can see, we have a little bit glowing on the light sweep. Of course, you can change any of these setting that we have like turbulent displays. You can change the amount, the size, everything manually. Alright, so that's it for the tutorial. If you have any question, please let me know, and thank you for the purchasing. Bye bye.